Isn't that a beautiful view? Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It is a beautiful day down at Outdoor Resorts Indio in Indio, California, down in the desert, representing Marathon. What an awesome day. It is a Veterans Day special. So we are going to do some pre-record here so you could see it on Veterans Day. And we're going to jump in the car here. I'm going to show you around a little bit about what's going on. I got Jim Cogley in the car, and we are going to show you a little bit about what's going on. So let's jump in the car and take a look. Say hi, Jim.
Hey, how we doing?
All right, all right.
Man.
We're going to take everybody around, show them what's going on at Outdoor Resorts Indio
On Veterans Day.
on Veterans Day. All right, let's get into it. So one of the things that Outdoor Resorts does very well is they have quite the commitment to their members here that are veterans. And they throw an annual event for the veterans. And one of the things it'll start with, as you can see right there, a golf cart that's decorated. They have a parade, right, Jim?
Yeah, they'll do the golf cart parade every year. There's one there.
Yeah.
And then they have a nice party tonight.
Where are they
with
setting the stage
live
up?
band.
Over here?
Um,
Where should we go?
Go around the front, Mal, and we'll see if they're set up outside. They're probably set up inside.
All right.
Here's the
Pickleball courts. There's a restaurant here at ORI. But like I was saying, one of the nice things that Outdoor Resorts Indio does for its veteran members is they have quite the party going on.
There's a nice thank you for your service.
Yes, very nice. This is such a nice clubhouse here at ORI. All right, and I'm going to take you guys. Jim's got something he's got to drop off here for the event tonight. And I'm going to take you guys over here. And we're going to walk through the courtyard because I want you to see some of the things that we've been working on here at this park when it comes to marketing. When it comes to marketing the park for Marathon, we have these new TVs set up over here, which is really cool. Nice outdoor features here in front of the clubhouse. And we're going to walk right through the breezeway, and I'm going to show you see a monitor up there. That monitor shows a lot of marathon activities down here at ORI. And then if we go over here, you can see that the golf club had it was a couple of hours ago. We came through here and we saw that the golf club had a nice thing, and it's all set up still for Veterans Day. And you can see in here, They've got everything set up in here. Isn't that nice?
Malachi Williams in the house.
Yes. Phil, we're on camera here, so
I am.
tell us real quick what's going on tonight here at ORI for the event.
Well, I'm going to turn this over to Scott Reynolds, and he'll tell you.
Scott, tell us about, and you don't necessarily need to use the mic. I can pick you up right here if you want to.
Yeah.
Tell us what ORI is doing for veterans.
Second annual Veterans Day Appreciation.
Absolutely.
And at 2 o'clock, we're going to recognize just the vets and their spouses, give them some drinks, make them happy.
Awesome.
We're going to do a cart ride around the property. And then at 5:30, everybody comes in, everybody that wants to come. We'll recognize the vets again. The band starts playing at 6:30. Have fun.
That's great.
Do some talking. Seal Foundation, Danny Dietz, and those guys are helping to sponsor.
Right.
And ARS companies, my company's up in Denver. And we're just, every year, we're just going to just kind of ramp it up.
That's fantastic.
Just keep going. It's all about the veterans. It's their day.
That's
We're
great.
going to have fun.
Good deal. Thank you, Scott.
Thank you.
So as you can see, there's Phil and Jim getting set up there with the audio for the event tonight. You can see they've got the drinks out here. Very nice. So that's one of the things that Outdoor Resorts does very well, is that they have really decided to concentrate on celebrating our veterans. And as you guys know, I'm a veteran, and I'm proud to be a part of that group. It was such an important decision for me to make as a young man, and I'm really glad that I made it. And it's really a part that I identify with. So we are gonna go. It's a beautiful weather out here today. But I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Before we wrap it up today, I wanna show you what Jim and I have been doing. We had to get the coach washed. But because today is Veterans Day and we're going to be showing the coach, we didn't have the ability to show it and get it washed inside the park. All right. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go, I'm going to show you just what we had to do to get that coach washed today on Veterans Day. Today is Veterans Day, so I'm filming this on Veterans Day, and there's a lot going on around the park to get it ready for the event tonight. But also this gives us a chance to show you the front side of Outdoor Resorts. All the beautiful grounds here. Hope that wind isn't too loud on you guys. Marathon as a company has a very big commitment to the desert down here. In a 3-block radius, you've got three of the nicest RV parks in the nation. Desert Shores, Motor Coach Country Club, and of course where we just came from, Outdoor Resorts Indio. because no services are allowed on national holidays in the parks. So no contractors can come into the parks on a day like today. So we had to move the coach outside the park so that our wash crew could clean it so that we could show it tonight for the veterans event. And there it is right there, getting washed up. Coach 1328. You guys have probably seen this one before. All right. So a big thanks to Adam Reyes for being able to wash this guy on a day like this. But I just wanted you guys to be able to see everything that's going on for Veterans Day. Isn't that nice? All right, everybody. Big thanks to Jim Cogley for hanging out with me today. Guess I better get out of the street. And a big thanks to everyone at ORI for sponsoring this Veterans Day event. Don't forget to be yourself and do good things. Have a good week. And of course, if you're looking to get into a marathon, reach out to me, malw@marathoncoach.com. Thanks, you guys. Take care.